Right guys, we're back on YouTube, Infinit Performance UK. As you know, we've taken quite a long break. We've expanded all the way to Dubai. A lot of people thought that we were going to shut shop here, but no, we're back and we're doing a lot of renovations. I'll give you a walkthrough of everything that's been going on in the background. We've also got quite a few McLaren builds going on at the moment as well. And obviously the RS3s, we've never stopped doing them, we'll never stop doing them. Over here we have a 570S, customer bought it because the engine was damaged. He got a good deal on it, he got it quite cheap. So now we're gonna get the engine out, strip it down, depending on how bad the damage is. Oil starvation, it may need a crankshaft, camshafts, cylinder heads. We'll only know once we strip the engine down. So engine's coming out of this now, so it's going to go for a 4-litre crankshaft. We're going to upgrade the sleeves to steel sleeves rather than the aluminium sleeves because they tend to fail on high horsepower builds. Then we've got the world record 720 here. This is in for some more goodies now. We're getting it ready for racing. We're doing some race prep on it. Another 570S there. Initially that car went to another shop for diagnosis. They stripped it down, they realised that the sleeve had cracked. It's going to need a rebuild. That's when the customer got into contact with us. He wants to build it for power, so he's looking for 1,000 wheel horsepower, ideally, potentially more. As you guys must have seen, our facility in Dubai is state of the art. That is the plans for this facility now to match the standards that we have there. We've been here since 2018. Some of the issues that we had in summer, it would be too hot. In winter, it would be too cold. So we are insulating the full workshop, the walls, the ceiling, everything. Then we are also getting 95 lights, which is a lot of lights for the size of the place, but the content will be sick. Previously we had the hydraulic rotary lifts. Now we've got state-of-the-art Maha electric lifts. We've got battery tenders on all the lifts. The McLaren batteries, when they go low on charge, it's an expensive battery. Now they'll always stay on a tender. We've also got a plug socket there when you're flashing the car just so battery goes low, you can brick ECUs. Nothing like that's going to happen. So going over to the dyno now, we've got one of the best development dynos that you can buy, 4-wheel drive, but now the kind of power that we're pushing on the McLarens now, 1,500 wheel horsepower, it's the limiting factor now. We've now got the hub dyno on order, so this could potentially be for sale for the right price. All the walls will be white as per our Dubai workshop, and then we will have a big Infinit backlit sign for all the content. Right, going over to the engine room, let's have a look. What's happening?
Doing the clearances on this.
We did this engine room up a good couple years ago, now it's seen better days. As we are doing everything one-to-one with Dubai, we'll get the bigger ultrasonic cleaner, all the parts washers, all the engine building equipment basically. My favourite part now is the office. That is going to be all glass, just like Dubai is, so we can look down into the workshop, see all the McLarens sitting nice and pretty.
So guys, if you want to see more in-depth content, subscribe to our YouTube, follow our Instagram, follow our TikTok, and I'll see you in the next one.